Hello students, myself Mrs. Vijay Shirokde, Assistant Professor from Dadasaheb Balpande College of Pharmacy, Besa, Nagpur. This topic is specially for B.Pharm third semester students. That is important topic, benzene and its derivative. As you know that all, benzene is an aromatic compound having molecular formula C6H6 containing alternate double bond single bond. As the objective of this topic is learner will able to learn about basic concept of structure and nomenclature of benzene. So in this is structure of benzene containing 6 carbon 6 hydrogen with alternate double bond and single bond. The history behind how that benzene molecule is derived, that is given by Michael Faraday, which is an English scientist which discovered the benzene as an illuminating gas. This word is described from Benjamin, and Benjamin means gum benzoin. Again, German chemist, that is Mischeri in 1833 given the name benzene. The important role is August Kekule, which is German professor. In 1865 gives detail about cyclic structure or cyclic nature of benzene. According to him, benzene containing 6 carbon 6 hydrogen with alternate double bond and single bond, and but one limitation is that Kekule did not discover the presence of interaction between double bond. Okay, this is the theory which is given by Kekule. It is called as structural theory, and according that two main scientists, that is August Kekule and Archibald Scott Cooper, these are two scientists which give the recognition of carbon atom can directly link to one another to form a carbon chain. Means discovery of benzene by given by these two scientists. According to him, first point is that carbon is tetravalent, that is valency of carbon is 4. Again, structure of benzene means structure of benzene which do not show straight chain structure, it is ring or cyclic structure. Cyclic structure containing alternate double bond single bond having molecular formula C6H6, that is given by Kekule. Now benzene, what are the analytical evidences, means which shows analytical evidences of structure of benzene, that is Lonsdale in 1929 by X-ray diffraction camera. X-ray diffraction technique specially used for studying the structure of any compound or molecule. According to him, the distance between carbon-carbon atom or carbon-hydrogen atoms are equal and bond angle is also equal, that is 120-degree bond angle. Carbon-carbon distance having 1.40 angstrom and CH distance is 1.09 angstrom in overall benzene molecule. Properties of benzene, as benzene it is soluble in only organic solvent, insoluble in water, colorless liquid, more density, lighter than water, and it shows the resonance stabilized structure, but it is highly inflammable and it's having aromatic characteristic, hence it's form a sooty flame. The Kekule also described that resonance hybrid is always more stable, and the hybrid structure of Kekule, it is called as canonical forms of benzene. Okay, then as we discussed, it contain alternate double bond single bond, that is C1 C2 C3 C4 C5 C6 containing pi bond, C2 C3 C4 C5 and C6 C1 containing again pi bond. Alternate double bond system is there, that is given by Kekule. This arrow indicate the containing resonance structure, hybrid structure, more stable structure, and mostly the reactions in benzene occurs that are called as electrophilic substitution reactions. It does not undergo addition reaction, because if benzene undergoes addition reaction, in that case the cyclic nature, that is aromatic characteristic of benzene get changed. When it undergoes substitution reaction, the aromaticity remain as it is, it retained the aromaticity, hence it does not undergo addition reaction. Nomenclature of benzene, before that we discussed reflection point is there, that is spot. What are the evidences of cyclic and aromatic nature of benzene? Yes, means why benzene is cyclic, how it is described, and what is aromatic nature of benzene, how it is carried out. Okay, now nomenclature. There are nomenclature system containing one is for monosubstitute benzene derivative. Monosubstitute means containing only one substitution, like chloro substitution is there, so chlorobenzene, iodo substitution, iodobenzene, bromobenzene, and the name is given by prefixing. The example we show here, chlorobenzene containing one substitution, chloro, bromo, iodo, nitro and ethyl. So this is called as monosubstituted benzene derivative. Second, again monosubstitute benzene derivative, but in this we can nomenclature according to the parent name. Parent name means first one is the benzonitrile, C triple bond N. Nitrile is there. So benzonitrile, parent molecule, benzene ring with OH, that is phenolic group, hence it is phenol. Toluene containing CH3 with benzene. So these are all called as parent name monosubstituted benzene compound. When two substitutes are there, ortho on 1,2 position, on 1,3 position meta, and 1,4 position is para. This is specially for two substituents. If two substituents are there, this nomenclature system is used. Having different groups means different groups, like this simple example, 4-nitro-benzoic acid, nitro group with benzoic acid, aminophenol, amino group position is there. So these are called as different groups derivative. So thank you very much for listening this. Thank you one and all. Thank you very much.